Today I'm going to be cleaning my nails. As you can see, I have quite the dirty nails. I'm going to show you how I clean my nails. Now this isn't the most orthodox way of cleaning nails, and so I suggest you follow an orthodox way and only look at my video as a mere reference of how to clean the nails. But I'm going to get started with this, and I have a tool. This tool right here is not a nail tool. It's actually a letter opener. You slide it open and you open the letter. But because I'm bootleg, extra bootleg, I'm going to be using a letter opener to clean the nails. Some of the other tools that I'm going to be using is a nail clipper. This is more of an orthodox way of clipping the nails using a nail clipper. And I'll also be using a buffer. I have no idea how to use this, but sometimes you learn best as you go. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I have these alcohol prep pads, okay, and I got it from CVS. And I'm going to open this pad up, and I'm going to rub it against my nails. I'm not exactly sure if this does anything as far as getting rid of bacteria, but it makes me look like I'm a professional when I bring out alcohol pads and rub them against the area that I'm about to do an operation on. Now that I've faked the funk of looking like I'm professional at cleaning the tops of my nails of bacteria and whatnot, I'll discard of this. So let's go ahead and get started with the nails. You can see right here, you have the thumb fingernail. Just going to take this and gently go around this, and being careful not to puncture my own skin. It's getting up there. See, and it's getting the nail dirt, grime from out of that. Gonna get this nail right here. And that just came out like the end part of eating a bean burrito. So once you get some of the dirt out like this, just go ahead and knock it off. I'm going to proceed to the ring nail finger. See how I got in there with this? Not piercing my skin whatsoever. There's a little piece. I'm going to use this right here. Alright, so I got more of the dirt out of it using this other tool. Now the pinky finger left. Clean out. So you can see that some of the dirt, a lot of the dirt is out of it. Maybe a little bit left on this ring finger right there. Get that out the way. And then right here is the right hand, and it looks like the right hand doesn't have much to be cleaned underneath of it. So I got some of the dirt out of it right there. There's still a little bit right there. So what I'll do is I'll take my other tool, clean that out. Look at that. Nice looking nails. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take my nail clipper, and I'm just going to go ahead and clip around slightly like that. Get a little bit closer so you can taste the dirt. See how I'm clipping on the edge right here? Look at that. So I have a couple more nails left. Go ahead and clip that. You see how it got around the nail right there? And then you have the pinky. Alright, so I have the T. Look at that. It's looking cleaner by the second, right? I'm going to get the right hand. And what I'm going to do right here is having a little bit of focus issues. Get on this finger right here. And what I'll do with this is just do the same process. It's going around. And then get fingers right here. See how I got that one? That was a little tough. So I have one more finger, pinky finger. That was a little tough to get around. Losing a little bit. All right, got that one. Almost. Oh, that looks clean. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take my scrubber brusher. I'm just going to go ahead and get around here. And this gives it a nice rounded edge. See how I'm doing that right there? It's a technique I learned in nail school. It's called the buffer fingers. Just gonna keep on going like that. And once you're done, look how nice the nails look. Only thing left is to take the alcohol prep pad, open this up, and brush it along my fingernails to make it look like I'm sterilizing them, which I'm really not. I don't think I am, but it looks like I know what I'm doing when I do this. And that is how you clean your nails, just like that. Now, I don't recommend that you clean your nails this way. This is just how I clean my nails. I recommend that you clean your nails the same way a professional nail person would. But I hope this gave you a guide or a sense of how nails can be cleaned. And I hope this video helps you in some form or fashion. Perhaps it's what not to do, but I hope it helps you. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.